Alright, so now it's time to start adding some content to your site. We're going to log into WP Admin as we have been, and open up the Post tab, click Add New. Make sure the Visual tab is selected for the content, and I just pasted some default text in there, and name your posts. Maybe something else. And maybe I want to make a new category for this, so I'll call it news. Excerpt. And the excerpt is just going to be something that'll show before you're viewing the whole post. And by the way, posts are going to be for like news, anything on your site that isn't like a contact page or some sort of other static page that will never change and isn't time sensitive. So go ahead and click publish. Alright, so now the post is live on the site. By the way, you can also see where it says published on in this box right here, publish. You can edit that and you can set it to a date in the future. And then like let's say you're about to go on vacation, but you don't want people to be like, hey, why aren't there any new posts in case you post weekly or something. And then you can just schedule a few posts and it'll automatically put them up for you while you're gone, so you don't even have to log in. Anyway, let's check out what this post looks like. Awesome. So you can see on the live site, here's the headline and then the text, the date. But let's say we want to add an image. What about that? Let's add one on the right side over here. Let's say we want like an icon or something. How about cache? Which one do I like? I like this stack. Download PNG. Gotta save that to my desktop. And now I'm going to go back into admin. I'm going to click at the beginning since I want it to be at the top right of the post, and then we're going to click add an image. Select files, select the image. It's uploading now. By the way, something I really like about iPage, their one-click WordPress install, is that it sets the permissions for like the upload. This right here, WP content /uploads. On a lot of hosting companies, including the dedicated hosting that I use for some of my sites, you have to set that permission manually. It's just kind of annoying, but somehow their automated installation does it automatically, so that's pretty cool. And I'm not going to link it to anything, so I'm going to click none. And you can put alt text if you want. Usually that's like a keyword, so big stack of cash. And I set align right. You can do center, left, or none. And thumbnail, medium, and large are size options, but I clicked full size. And just click insert into post. So now we can see it at the top right. Let's click update post. Alright, now let's refresh. And there's our image. So the post is looking better already. And don't forget, you can do things like bolding. I recommend one bolded phrase for each paragraph, and make sure that it shows up all on one line, not wrapped to the next line. This is just going to help readability, and for people like me who just don't like to read and just kind of skim across a page, doing things like this and using images, those are both really, really great.